Problem 6. What is the intensity of a sound that has a level 7 decibel lower than a 4 times 10 power minus 9 watt per meter squared sound? So again, dealing with two sounds, sound 1, sound 2, intensity 1, intensity 2, beta 1, beta 2. So we have to write first down the given to know how to solve. So we are given that sound 1 has, let's call its intensity I1 and its decibel level beta 1. Sound 2 is its intensity is called I2 and its decibel level is called beta 2. Okay. We have that the intensity of I1 is 4 times 10 power minus 9 watt per meter squared. And what is the intensity of the sound that has a level 7 decibel lower than that sound? This means that beta 2 is lower than beta 1. So beta 2 is beta 1 minus 7. Okay? And we are required to find, it's required to find I2. So this is given and this is required to be calculated. So let's move backwards. What can we find from I1? We can find beta 1, and once we find beta 1 we can find beta 2 according to this relation, and once we find beta 2 we can find I2. So let's start step by step. We have 3 steps here to be done in order to answer the question. The first step is to find beta 1. So beta 1 is 10 log I1 over I naught, and again I naught is the threshold of hearing in air, so this is known to be 10 power minus 12 watt per meter squared. So it's 10 log of 4 times 10 power minus 9 watts per meter squared over 10 power minus 12 watt per meter squared. So using your calculators, of course now this ratio becomes unitless. Watt per meter squared over watt per meter squared cancels. So using your calculators you can find the decibel level of the first sound, which is let's use the calculator now. 10 power minus 9 divided by 10 power minus 12 times 4, then log the answer, then answer times 10. So this is 36 decibel. This is 36 decibel. Okay, now after finding beta 1 we can find beta 2. So the second step now is to find beta 2. Beta 2 is beta 1 minus 36. So this is equal to, sorry, minus 7. This is not, so here it is according to this relation to this given. Beta 2 is beta 1 minus 7. So it is 36 minus 7. So beta 2 is equal to 29 decibel. Yes, 29 decibel. So now having beta 2 we can find I2 by applying the formula. Beta 2 is equal to 10 log I2 over I naught Now substitute the given. Beta 2 is 29 decibel equals 10 log I2 over 10 power minus 12 watt per meter squared. Alright, now divide by 10 both sides of the equation. We get 2.9 is equal to log I2 over 10 power minus 12. Now to make use of the rule of 10 power log m is m, or 10 power log x is x, so we can take 10 to the power 2.9 is equal to 10 to the power log of I2 over 10 power minus 12. I'm sorry for my handwriting, but I'm trying my best here. So this will be equal to this will be I2 over 10 power minus 12, and here 10 to the power 2.9. So cross multiplication and using the calculator, you get that I2 is equal to, you have 10 to the power 2.9 times 10 to the power minus 12. So this will be 7.9 times 10 power minus 10. So the intensity is 7.9 times 10 to the power minus 10 watt per meter squared. Alright, that's it. And you have to do the second part on your own the same way. Again, as long as we're still dealing with the same intensity, no need to repeat, but that one it's already calculated.